Welcome to Mescomac VLab. In this video, we'll see how to run Flexurer formula simulation. After successful installation process, go to an application folder and run the application provided. When you open the application for first time, strain gauge simulation starts automatically. To switch from strain gauge to a Flexurer formula, click on Stop button. Go to a cantilever beam simulation and click on the run button provided on left top side. In this simulation, again you have to follow a steps which are given. You have to click on step 1 button and give the cross section of an beam. Again click on in step 2 and give the material of the beam. Click on in step 3 and give the different input data such as a mass. When you type the value in a controller, you have to click on somewhere else and then click on a next button. Refer the diagram which are provided for notation purpose. As my cross section is rectangular, I have to give the breadth and the height. After giving the input data, click on a Get Result button to get the output data. Now you have to take a certain set of masses. You can either type the value in a controller as well as you can use the arrow key which I provide. The second reading is taken for 2 kg mass and third reading is taken for 3 kg of mass. After taking certain set of masses, you can click on a plot graph button. If you need any help in between, you can click on a help button and read the instructions which are provided. As well as you can go to an instructions tab and read the instructions which are provided. After taking certain set of masses, let's click on a plot graph button. If you have taken minimum 3 readings, then click on Yes button. You can see the graph between stress and load gets plotted. Now, if you want to run this simulator again, then click on a Run button provided on left top side. And again, you can give different input data. If you want to run the simply supported beam simulation for Flexurer formula, click on a Stop button. Go to a simply supported beam and click on a Run button provided on left top side. Again, you have to follow a steps which are given. Click on a step 1 button and give the cross section of a beam. Click on a step 2 button and give the material of the beam. Click on in step 3 to give the different input data such as a mass applied. Refer the diagram which are provided for a notation purpose. As my cross section is a circular, I have to give the diameter of the beam. If my cross section is rectangular, then I have to give the breadth and the height. After giving input data, click on a Get Result button to get the output. Now, again you have to take a certain set of masses by changing the value of mass. So this is result for 2 kg mass and this is the result for 3 kg mass. After taking certain set of masses, just click on a plot graph button and again you can read the message. If you have taken the 3 readings, then click on Yes. After clicking on plot graph button, you can see the graph between stress and load gets plotted. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, visit our website.